Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Hedera Hashgraph. In my last video, I shared a very big harmonic bullish reversal setup that Hedera Hashgraph has completed on the weekly time frame chart. Right now, that pattern is still in play, but in today's video, I'm not going to discuss that pattern. I'm just going to discuss another breakout that Hedera is going to take on this 4-hourly time frame, and it is recently rejected by another falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart, and then I'll take you to the 4-hourly time frame chart. There we are expecting a breakout. Okay, here we can see, if we switch to the weekly time frame first, then we can see here we had a previous down channel, and recently it has formed this falling wedge. And if we switch to the daily time frame, then it can be seen that the previous formation of the down channel was started on 15th of March. We had a breakout here on 27th of July, and if I place this measurement tool on the candlesticks, which were involved in formation of this down channel, then we can see that after 34 days we took this breakout. And right now, if we again place this measurement tool from this candlestick when the formation was started here on 6th of September 2021 up till now, more than 161 days have passed and we did not have a breakout so far. This support is very important here. I have placed a trend line that is at approximately 22 cents, and you can see previously here recently it was working as a very nice support, and here it has been working as a resistance. If I switch to the 4-hourly time frame, you can see for several hours it has been working as a strong resistance. And on the daily time frame here, it worked as a very strong support, here as a support, and here previously it has been breaking as a resistance when we were moving in the previous down channel. Therefore, right now it can work again as a nice support, and you can see when the price line touched here at the support, the first bullish candlestick has appeared after 1, 2, 3, and 4 bearish candlesticks. So it is possible that we will have a reversal move from here, because if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then here you can see we have another falling wedge pattern formed, and right now we are breaking out. If we switch to the hourly time frame, then we have closing above this resistance of the falling wedge. You can see that this candlestick has been closed at 22.90, that is above this resistance, and the next candlestick is retesting the previous resistance as a support. I'll be looking for at the 4-hourly time frame for this breakout, and then we will have another confirmation that we are going to have a reversal move from this support to break out this wedge. For example, if we take a look at the target of this wedge, that can be here at the top of this wedge, that is approximately at 26.5 cents. And if we take a look at the resistance, that is approximately at 26 cents. So there will be a very high probability, once we will have a breakout from here, from the smaller falling wedge pattern, that we are going to break out the bigger falling wedge pattern as well. And in case of breaking out from the bigger falling wedge pattern, our next target can be here at the top of the wedge, that will be approximately at 56 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.